Do you know what's the most important technical skill for internet marketers? The answer is HTML programming. Let's face it, like it or not, almost anything in your online business is built using HTML codes. Look at your web pages, your email newsletters, your opt-in pages. They are built using HTML codes. If you understand HTML, you can edit, customize, or even create these things all by yourself. Plus, you can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. Learning some HTML basics is essential if you want to run an online business successfully. It's not that hard. You shouldn't worry about it because I can show you the easy way to learn it. I've created an easy-to-understand video series that shows you how to understand HTML without being confused and overwhelmed. So if that interests you, scroll down this page below to learn how I can help you.